Welcome to your first unit in your journey to learning the Python programming language. We're going to start by learning about basic data types. In this unit, we're going to get a basic understanding of data types, built-in functions, and methods. We will learn how to use variables effectively and use comments effectively. We're going to create variables of different data types, such as strings, integers, and floats, and learn how to manipulate them. We're going to cast or change variable data types from one form to another in order to perform very specific actions. We'll learn to call functions and methods and pass appropriate arguments. And when appropriate, we will learn to grab the return values of these functions and store them in variables. Most importantly, we're going to learn to print information to our screen and learn to get user input to make more dynamic programs. Lastly, we're going to learn how to import the math library for higher level mathematical operations. Here are some of the data types that you will learn about. Strings, which is a series of characters. Integers, which represent whole numbers. And floats, which represent decimal numbers. We currently aren't going to introduce any control structure to our programs. Our programs are just going to read from top to bottom. Control structure will allow us to make our programs a little bit more branching, so they are case dependent. We're going to learn about a few operators in this unit, such as the assignment operator, our compound assignment operators, and our concatenation operator, as well as our basic algebraic operators of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. Here is a list of all of the built-in functions that we are going to discuss, such as print, type, string, integer, float, input, and round. And I've given you a link to some of the official built-in functions for Python. We're going to primarily talk about string methods in this unit, such as the upper, lower, and title method, the strip, and the count method. We will introduce a library of external code, the math library, which is going to allow us to do some higher level math calculations. And lastly, at the end of the unit, I will present you with 5 challenge problems with a walkthrough and example code of how you would code each of these solutions. I hope you enjoy, and good luck to you as you're learning.